Hi guys, sorry for the very big delay. So this stays under the driver's seat in my car. These two in the center console. This is the Nightcore MT22A. It has two AA's. You can access them by pushing this button. The head comes off. We have this pin right here. Two AA's, and you're good to go. Has a pocket clip. Comes on high, medium, low. Now this is very low, like I'm on light mode, and then strobe, and high again. Has a very good throw, very simple to use. The rescue tool you know well. One hand opening, locking blade, yeah. I put this here for a better grip when you hold it. And in the bag we have the headlamp, high, medium, red, flashing red, and off. This runs on one AA. It's cheap, but it does the job. Let me make some room. So I have another flashlight. This runs for 50 hours. Only one mode. One AA. This is a lighter. Marker. Cutter. Oh no. What's going on? Yep. Bigger lighter. I know. Some kind of fixed blade. You know, for tougher jobs it has these serrations here. In case you need to cut something tougher. Yeah. Let me see. Scissors. Another lighter. Yeah. Piece of rope. Whistle. Pencil sharpener. You can make tinder with this. Put a little stick and use the shavings. pencil, pen, small UV light, and some elastic silicone. Maybe a bracelet, could use this. And that's it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? May I add something? May I take out something? And in the next video I'll show you my everyday bag. I moved to this from this a little bit bigger, almost, but much better organized on the inside. I made such a mess. See you next time.